Dear students, today we will continue same concept, that is common factor. The largest factor that is common to all the given numbers is called the highest common factor, HCF, or greatest common factor, that is GCF, of the given numbers. HCF of two or more numbers can be found out by two methods. One is listing method and another one is common division method. Let's learn listing method. In this method, first we list the factors of the given numbers separately. Then we circle the common factors of the numbers and find the greatest factor among the common factors. For example, find the HCF of 36 and 54 by listing method. Here, three steps are possible. So first, we have to list all the factors of 36 and 54. Factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 54 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. In next step, we have to compare and circle the common factors of 36 and 54. So factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 54 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Let's compare and circle the common factors. Here 1 is common in both the numbers, then 2, 3 also common, then 6, 9, then 18 is common in all the numbers. Next, we have to identify the highest common factors among the circled numbers. Here highest number is 18. Our last common factor of 36 and 54 is 18. So, the HCF of 36 and 54 is 18. Let's learn second method, common division method. In this method, we find the HCF of the given numbers by dividing them together by their least common factor. Then we multiply the common factors to get the HCF of the given numbers. For example, find the HCF of 48 and 92 using common division method. Here, first we have to write the numbers together separated by commas. Divide by the smallest common factor of the given numbers and write the quotient below their respective numbers. Here, smallest common factor of 48 and 92 is 2, because 48 also is divisible by 2 and 92 is also divisible by 2. 2 24s are 48, 2 46 are 92. Next, divide the quotient obtained in the above step again by a common factor. and write the quotient below. Repeat dividing by common factors till the two quotients obtained have no common factor anymore. So, between 24 and 46, which is a common factor here? 2 is a common factor, because 24 also divisible by 2 and 46 also divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24. 2 23s are 46. We get 12 and 23 respectively as quotients. Since there are no common factors to divide 12 and 23, we will stop here. In next step, write the common factors on the left column and multiply them to get the HCF of 48 and 92. So, HCF of 48 and 92 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, 4 is a HCF of 48 and 92. Let's solve exercise 10D. Find the HCF of the following. First one, 8 and 16 by listing method. First we have to list all the factors of given numbers. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Next we have to compare and circle the common factors of 8 and 16. So here 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 also common and 8 also common. Here last common factor is 8. So the HCF of 8 and 16 is 8. Let's solve B1. Here also we have to find out HCF of 12 and 24. So first we have to list all the factors of 12 and 24. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next we have to compare and circle the common factors of 12 and 24. So here 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common and 12 is common. Here 12 is the last common factor of 12 and 24. So HCF of 12 and 24 is 12. Let's solve third main. Find the HCF of the following by division method. Here we have to find out HCF of 40 and 60 by common division method. So first we have to write 40 and 60 together separated by commas. Next we have to divide by the smallest common factor of the given numbers and write the quotients below their respective number. Here 40 is divisible by 2 and 60 also divisible by 2. So 2 is the smallest common factor of 40 and 60. 2 20s are 40, 2 30s are 60. Next we have to divide by the smallest common factor of the given numbers and write the quotients below their respective number. Here 20 is divisible by 2. Yes. 30 is divisible by 2. Yes. So 2 is the smallest common factor of 20 and 30. 2 10s are 20. 2 15s are 30. Next, between 10 and 15, which is the common factor here? Which is the smallest common factor here? 5 is the smallest common factor. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. We get 2 and 3 respectively as quotients. Since there are no common factors to divide 2 and 3, so we will stop here. Write the common factors on the left column and multiply them to get the HCF of 40 and 60. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. Next, we have to find HCF of 45 and 225 by common division method. So first we have to write the numbers together separated by commas. 45, 225. Between 45 and 225, 5 is smallest common factor. 5 9s are 45. 5 45s are 225. Between 9 and 45, 3 is a common factor. 3 3s are 9. 3 15s are 45. Between 3 and 15, again 3 is a common factor. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. We get 1 and 5 respectively as quotients. Since there are no common factors to divide 1 and 5, so we will stop here. Next, we have to write common factors on the left column and multiply them to get the HCF of 45 and 225. So HCF is equal to 5 into 3 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. So HCF of 45 and 225 is 45. Today's homework: solve exercise 10D. In that first main C, D and E. In third main C, D and E in your maths notes.